Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who doesn't know me yet, I'm Oandasan, your YouTube creator. My channel is all about travel, tutorial, and business. For this day, I would like to discuss you about how to get a Google AdSense pin.
Before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell and then type your question here in the comment and then comment. I would like to have a big shout out to JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station is located at Boston Heights, Toklong, Kawit, Cavite. So for those who are located at Imus and Kawit, Cavite, you can order purified water at JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. How to order? You can text or call this number. For those Globe user, it's 0977-3975645 or Smart 0939-219390. Or you can also message at Messenger JJ Diamond. You can also like its FB page and YouTube channel JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. Jane's Vacation Rentals. Don't forget to subscribe. You can like the page on the Facebook page and subscribe to this channel and check what are the available rooms or units for short or long-term rentals. You can check in Metro Manila, SMDC Light Residences located at Mandaluyong, Silk Residences located at Santa Mesa, Manila Rivercity Residences located at Santa Ana. For Cavite area, Amaris Homes located at Bacoor, Cavite. There are more vacation rentals still for constructions, so just keep browsing Jane's Vacation Rentals on the FB page to see all the available units that is good for you. For this day, I would like to discuss you about how to order my original designs of t-shirts, mugs, tumbler, face masks, leggings, jackets, and many more. And yeah, so this is my page. So as you can see, it said there, it's Miss Jane's store. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, so let's find the shop now. So click that one, and then it will go straight to my design. So all of my designs and then all the details of these products are in this page.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I know there are many small YouTubers like me who are really excited to earn money on their YouTube. But of course, before you can make money on YouTube, you need to have your Google AdSense pin first. So what is the use of the Google AdSense pin? Google AdSense pin used to verify your address and identity. YouTube needs to verify your identity to check if you are really real human or machine. Then how to get a Google AdSense pin down? Okay, so first that you need to do is to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, you need to get monetized first and then you need to have a minimum of $10 earned from your ads on YouTube. Once you have this minimum amount, your pin will automatically send by Google AdSense to your registered address. But if you don't receive within 3 to 4 weeks, then you need to check your address if that is your exact address. If your address is correct, then request your Google AdSense pin again. Remember, you can only request your pin 3 times. If you request 3 times already but still you didn't receive it, then you can request manually. How to do this? You need to go to your Google AdSense website and then go to send feedback. Then message them requesting your PIN and attach the screenshot of your request. For this one, YouTube will conduct investigation and check if you are really qualified to be verified. Once you are qualified, then you will verify and you have the chance now to earn more money from the ads of your video on YouTube. Now, another question is the PIN will be the same PIN when you are getting your money from the YouTube? The answer of this is no. Just like what I said, Google AdSense PIN is used just to verify your identity. Getting your money or salary from the YouTube has a different process. You can get your first salary once you have $100 already on your ads. But on this tutorial, we will only speak on the Google AdSense. Okay, so that's all from now. Thank you very much for watching. See you again on my next tutorial.